recording first. Let's share the screen. Okay, so first of all, as usual, we are going to define the basic structure of HTML. So for that, we are going to begin with HTML. Then we need to type head, and then we need to define the off tag for this head part. Then we need to define the body part, define the off tag for this body part, and then define the off tag for the HTML document. Okay, now if suppose you want to give a specific title to your page, you can make use of title tag in between the head tag you have used in this HTML document. So for now, we are going to give it this title, background properties. This is a title that I'm giving to this page, and it hardly matters whether you use uppercase letters or lowercase letters for writing the tags or defining the tags. Okay, it is going both are going to give you the same output, both are going to give you the desired result. Let's now save this file with a unique name on our desktop. So we are going to save it with a unique name using .htm extension background. This is the name that I am giving to my file. Okay, and this is the extension with which I'm saving my file. Now it is going to get saved in the form of a web page on my desktop. So this is the file that we have made. Now let's open it in the browser and let's see what is the output it is going to give us. So it is going to give us nothing in this just because we haven't defined anything in the body part of this HTML document, right? So that is the reason everything here is blank. It's completely white. But we are able to see the title right on the top here. Are you all able to see the title of this page that we defined
Yes,
in
sir.
this coding part? Okay, this is the title that we defined. We are not able to see it. We are not able to see the complete name just because of the tabs. ये tabs जो खुले हुए हैं ना इनके वजह से. Let me just close it. अब थोड़ा सा नाम दिखेगा आपको
Namaste,
ज़्यादा.
sir.
Namaste बेटा. Now comes background. Okay, so the thing that we are going to talk about is background color. If suppose you want to change the background color of your body of the HTML document's body, how can you do that? For doing that, you can make use of an attribute named background color. Okay, and it is given on page number 104. If you guys want, you guys can open it and check it out. So you know, if you want to style some tag, yesterday I told you that there are two ways. Sorry, for styling a tag, you need cascading style sheets, which is a library of styles. Okay, Bragesh, can you please stop laughing and please put yourself on mute, dear?
Yeah.
Bragesh, shall I throw you out of this meeting, dear?
Sir, he
No,
is
sir.
Nirvan.
Who is this? Is this Nirvan?
Sir, Nirvan.
Yes, sir. It's Nirvan.
No problem. I've thrown him out. Don't worry about that. So now let's talk about this background color property. See, if you want to style, let me just remove it from here and tell you from the beginning. If you want to style any tag that you have used in your document, what are tags? Anything which you enclose in between these two symbols, it is considered as a tag. Okay. Now, if you want to style any tag, what is the thing that you require? You require cascading style sheets. What is a cascading style sheet? It is a library of styles which we can use for enhancing the features of the tags which we use for designing our web page in the form of a HTML file. Okay. Now, if you want to enhance the feature of this body tag or any tag that you have made use of in this HTML file, the first thing that you are required to do is you need to define the style tag like this.
Style type.
Okay, and then you have to define the type of this that style tag. So the type is text slash CSS. Now just close the style tag like this. So this is the on tag for style and this is the off tag for style. Now, if you want to enhance the properties of this tag, means if you want to style the properties of this tag body, what you have to do, you have to write down the name of that tag first like this. Okay, write down the name of the tag in between the style tags and after that place two curly brackets like this, one open curly bracket and one closed curly bracket. And between these two, define the property that you want to modify of this tag. Suppose you want to modify the background color of this tag. Okay, if you want to see the background color yellow, okay, so this is the value and this is the property with which we are playing right now, which we are modifying right now. So this is the value that we have passed for this property of this selector. Yesterday I've told you, there are some things which you have to keep in mind, which are given on page number 103 right on the top. There is a formula given and everything is explained in brief. What is declaration, what is property, what is value, what is selector. Yesterday only I've told you in the online class. So now let's save the change and see what is the output we are going to get. So the background color is going to get changed to yellow. Why? Because we have enhanced, we have changed the background color property of this body tag by passing this yellow color as a value for this property. If you want to see it in blue, you can replace this yellow with blue like this. I'm sorry, it's happening. You can change it to blue just by passing blue as a value for the property, for this property. I hope this thing is clear to every one of you. How can you change the background color?
Yes.
Now, if suppose you don't want to see, you don't want to change this background color. Okay. You want to see it white only. Now, in place of this, if you want to see a image in the background, how you can do that? What is the property you need to play with, or you need to modify in order to see an image on the background of this body? So let's see whether we have got any image on the desktop or not.
Yes, sir. Background.
So
That
we
is
have got an
image.
image here. Its name is, let me just check the name of this image. What is the name of this image? Can anyone tell me the full name of this image?
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. Aage. What is the full name? What is the full name, dear? WhatsApp. Aage.
WhatsApp properties.
That is absolutely right. WhatsApp.jpg. Full name means we have to include the extension also with which we have saved this file on a desktop or any other location. Okay, so the full name of this file is whatsapp.jpg. Now, suppose you want to see it on the background, as a background of your body. How you can do it?
Sir, background and that minus sign, then image and colon.
Because it is not minus sign, it is not minus sign, it is known as dash image. Okay, then place a colon. Okay, and after that you have to pass a value. Now remember this thing, when you are passing a value for this attribute background image, you need to write down like this: URL means uniform resource locator, and after that you need to define the full name of your image. What is the full name of your image?
WhatsApp.jpg.
LPG.
For that LPG nahi beta, LPG to
JPG.
who is saying LPG? Who is saying LPG?
Yes.
Liquid petroleum gas, है ना बेटा? Excellent. It is not LPG, it is JPG. Okay, so this is how you need to write down the name in between the double inverted commas. Okay, and you need to pass this value using this URL keyword. Let me just first show you the
Sir, I have a doubt.
change. Okay, so this is what you are going to get as an output on this window. Yes, Pranav, what is your doubt? Ask me, dear.
Sir, like so many other photos have PNG also, and so why this file has DPG?
Because we have saved it with this extension, dear. We have saved it with this extension. Let me just do one thing. Let me open this file. let's open this file in Paint. Okay, open with Paint, and let's save it with .png extension. So this is the original file. Now let's save it in this format, PNG picture. ठीक है? अब तो ठीक है प्रणव?
Yes, sir.
And we are going to save it with a new name. Let's say new WhatsApp 2.png. ठीक है, अब मैं PNG format में इसे सेव कर रहा हूं. So now let's see where the file is. So it has got saved here on the desktop. What is the full name of this file? This is the full name of this file. Now if you want to access it on your web page, what you can do, you have to replace this name with इसका name और plus extension क्या था, PNG. Save the changes and check out whether you are able to access it on your web page or not. See, we are able to access it. Is this thing clear to you, Pranav, or not?
Yes, sir.
पक्का ना बेटा?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So for now,